Pagod ka na ba sa walang katapusang upa? Bakit hindi mo na lang gawin sa'yo ang binabayaran mo buwan-buwan? Welcome to Sapa Residences located at Tansa, Cavite. 10 minutes away lang to sa SM Tansa at Vista Mall Tansa. At 1 ride away lang to pa Mall Opacia at PITX. Malapit sa schools, hospitals at public market. May UB Express din at bus papuntang Metro Manila. This is a 2-story townhouse na may 58 square meter floor area, may provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, at ang the best part, may car park na ito. Hindi ka na mamumblema sa parking mo. Flood-free at fault-free ang community. May sariling gates, security at amenities tulad ng clubhouse, basketball court at playground. Mababa lang down payment nito at stretchable pa up to 24 months. Available ito through Pag-ibig Financing, kaya naman abot kaya na magkabahay. Talaga naman sulit na sulit ang pera mo dito, di ba? Secure ang community, malapit sa work, schools at malls. Mas mura kaysa sa Metro Manila, pero ang location accessible pa rin. Perfect investment na tataas ang value over time dahil kalapit lang nito ang soon-to-rise na Maple Grove Commercial District. Kaya wag mong palampasin ang chance na ito. Magpa-reserve na for only 5,000 at simulang abutin ang pangarap mong bahay. Again, I'm Rose Rogacion, your property specialist under Hope Team. See you for more video. Bye!